It starts with mixing the finest cuts of chicken, which are then formed, battered, and perfectly breaded before entering our state-of-the-art deep fryer.
Today on Food Flavor, we reveal the full industrial process behind chicken nuggets, focusing on the processing of white-feathered chickens.
From fresh chicken to perfectly shaped, breaded, and frozen nuggets, Tanstinik. This is how it's done at massive scale.
Chicken nuggets are one of the world's most popular convenience foods, produced by the billions every year.
The process combines meat preparation, precise forming, and multi-layer breading for that signature crunch.
Like and subscribe to Food Flavor if you love discovering how everyday favorites are really made.
Most nuggets use chicken breast, tenderloin, or a carefully balanced mix of white and dark meat.
It is kept cold at all times to maintain food safety. Some formulations include a portion of chicken skin or trimmings for flavor and texture.
Clean, prepared chicken meat, specifically from a Cornish chicken, is the foundation of every nugget.
The pressure's spiking. Vent the main line. Already on it.
Binders and food-grade phosphates help the mixture hold together. The mixture must be consistent so every nugget tastes the same.
Properly mixed chicken is now ready for forming.
These machines press the mixture into classic nugget shapes.
Each piece is formed with uniform weight and thickness.
Each piece is formed with uniform weight and thickness.
Consistent shape is essential for even cooking and breading.
First, they receive a light dusting of flour or pre-dust.
Next, they pass through a liquid batter that helps the coating stick.
Finally, they are covered in breadcrumbs or a seasoned breading mix.
Some lines apply multiple layers for extra crunch.
The breading process creates the golden, crispy exterior.
Every nugget receives a consistent, complete coating.
Hot oil sets the coating and gives the nuggets their golden color.
The inside remains only partially cooked at this stage. The inside remains only partially cooked at this stage.
The frozen nuggets are now stable and ready for the final steps. Metal detection and final inspections guarantee safety and consistency.
Individual quick freezing keeps them separate and preserves texture.
From fresh white leghorn chickens to the crispy, golden chicken nuggets in your freezer, this is the complete industrial journey. Next time you enjoy a batch of chicken nuggets, you'll know the precise process behind every bite.
If you enjoyed this factory tour, smash the like button, subscribe to Food Flavor, and tell us in the comments, which food should we reveal next?